Andrew playing Sonic the Hedgehog.
Yeah. In a hurry. Someone killed.
I'm gonna beat his time, and I'm gonna get a better score.
Yeah, we'll see.
I'm playing next, but I'm using Knuckles.
Here we are. I gotta do this time.
You gotta talk louder for the camera. Boom! Oh, you collect your rings. Get your rings.
I'm trying. Man, I almost did it. I'm telling you, I almost got him. Got him. Finally. 1 minute, 37 seconds. I thought. What are we doing? I keep on forgetting. Oh, yeah.
It's a thing.
I saved them.
Oh, the rabbits are free. The rabbits.
Sonics. Little Sonics.
Alright, 1 minute, 45 seconds. Score is 28,710. Level 4.
I finally got it. Alright, now this is the one I had. I ain't done this in a while, so I don't know what's up. What's next?
He is gonna mess up, what? So I can go. I'm gonna. I told you. Come on, go. You've got like one life left, 2 lives left at the bottom.
Oh my god! You got me confused there. Oh.
One life left. 1 life left.
30 years?
Marble zone. Slow down,
I'm not
Andrew.
doing good at this one.
You gotta slow down, man.
Yeah, that's the sad part. You can't slow down. You gotta do it right, man. You gotta know where you're at.
Classic gamer.
I knew it. Spraying the pooch on that one anyway.
Guys, I really hope you like my channel. While I'm speaking of the channel, I hope you subscribe, like, and share. I'll be putting gaming on here, and this channel will also start talking more about my fibromyalgia disease and my service dog and service access, which today big no-no happened. She got denied, and that is a big no-no, so I'll be getting the lady who denied her fired, most likely. And I hate to do that, but you cannot deny a service dog, especially when she's needed to, for me and the service that she's needed for. And I needed her at this particular point, and the lady wouldn't let her come in. So, the laws about service dogs need to be more out there as well.
They are out there.
And the people who just get their jobs need to be trained better on service laws and service dogs, so that people like me who want go through problems with this don't have to deal with it, because it just adds more stress to our day, and it's more nerve-wracking to us.
Too much crap anyways.
But
family.
I'll be speaking to the corporate tomorrow. They were closed today,
gosh,
so.
That's not easy at all.
But other than that, we are going to continue to have a good night and play some more Sonic for a little bit longer. And then we got to go to bed because we're going out of town tomorrow. We're going traveling. And so we're going to relax. I'm going to beat him in some Mortal Kombat here in a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, she's going to. She thinks.
I know, I am going to. Speaking of Bella.
Shoot, flatter.
Bella, let's go say hello to the camera.
Finally.